Ankr is a cryptocurrency, or Ankr Stage, a corporation that entered the market for digital currencies in 2017 at the University of California, Berkeley. Its co-founders are Chandler Toon and Ryan Tooth. Ankr Stage is distributed globally and uses cutting-edge decentralized web technology to democratize the internet. Before we move any further, welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Now let's get back to our topic of the day. Specialized analysis by Ankr. The value of Ankr increased in August 2021. The massive auction on September 7, 2021, caused the cost of Ankr to fall from $0.1259 to a base cost of $0.0839, which has brought back the bullish cycle. The value of Ankr then decreased by breaking the backings. Ankr has tried assistance of $0.0238 and is seeking to regain strength, according to a brief analysis. The Ankr price reached a swing high this month of $0.06811 to test the resistance level. Failing to breach the resistance level caused the coin to retrace. Cost analysis reveals that Ankr must surpass the starting up opposition of $0.0866, breaking through the resistance level of $0.0873. The continued price can push Ankr to its absolute limit of $0.1196, the next major obstruction level. The current price of Ankr is $0.03686. For a novice investor, the normal value level of Ankr is quite low. From an unmatched low of around $0.000711, the Ankr rises to an unmatched high of $0.2252. $295,111.52 is the enormous market cap. The Bollinger Band started to move, providing some guidance. Ankr can predict an increase should the next swing level by breaching the next barrier of $0.1649 if the same momentum continues for the upcoming trading meetings. Even while the volume signals are not perfect, they are still better than the recent bad luck. Another green swapping meeting is anticipated to confirm the technical arrangement in a pattern. Ankr expenses often experience enormous volatility and surprising pattern inversion in technical outlines due to little acknowledgement and steadfastness on economic conditions. Instantaneous Ankr value gauge. According to specialized investigation gauges, a purchase must be confirmed before the 50 days EMA crosses the 20 days EMA. In the alternative, Ankr may retest its resistance levels and create a basic example using its routine graphs. The RSI marker is set at 29.24, indicating that temporary merchants can look at buying an open door. Ankr price prediction 2022. The usual lowest expense for the current year is $0.0486, which is a big benefit. By the end of 2022, the cost, according to an Ankr cost forecast for the next 5 years, will increase to $0.0549. According to industry experts, the Ankr digital currency cost will see a downward trend in the year 2022, and the average estimated cost will be approximately $0.0526. According to research, the Ankr price may increase to an exchange level and reach a ceiling of $0.0549 by the end of 2022. The undesirable pattern may last until 2023. Expected Ankr value in 2023. The token forecasts a fresh move in 2023, with Ankr speculation likely to reach $0.0527. According to a drawn-out logarithmic graphic, Ankr will have widespread recognition by 2024, and using and trading it will be easier because of the large variety of Ankr tokens available. According to Ankr's predictions, the highest cost might therefore reach $0.0622 in 2023. Is Ankr a smart guess? Given that many people own it, Ankr has recently displayed a global bullish trend. It is understated and has a promising future. Young people should keep Ankr in mind for their portfolio. The gauge predicts a promising future. As a result, experts recommend using Ankr while making speculations. Where can I get Ankr at any time? Clients may trade Ankr tokens on reputable exchanges like Coinbase and Binance, unlike other digital currencies. Restricted wallets are now supporting Ankr. Has Ankr had any other periods of development since then? Ankr coins have a bright future and will contribute to the development of Web 3.0 because they are also used as a method of payment for the platform's services. Ankr cost bearing typically alters as a result of market volatility. Additionally, the global bullish pattern is somewhat helpful for the Ankr number. The Ankr digital currency will advance to the next stage if the cost heads continue to rise in a positive cycle per upcoming cost levels. The value of the Ankr cryptocurrency appeals to investors as well since it can help them. In 5 years, how much will Ankr be worth? Our Ankr cost projection indicates that during the next 5 years, the symbolic will fluctuate by approximately 0.17. The digital currency market is unstable, nevertheless. Therefore, it is typically appropriate to seek the advice of experts. Will Ankr become more expensive? According to cost projections, the price might increase to 0.17 by the end of 2030. However, because of the high degree of volatility in the overall crypto market, it is always advisable to complete research, concentrate on every local rule, and then participate. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.